In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email on Docusign, and it should only take about 5 minutes. Being able to update your email address is essential, especially if you've started using a new email or want to streamline your online communication. Fortunately, Docusign makes this process intuitive. Let's walk through the steps together. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Docusign website. If you're already familiar with the Docusign, you would know it's a leader in electronic signature and intelligent agreement management, making it an incredibly useful tool for handling various documents and transactions. The easiest way to start is by visiting their homepage. Once the website loads, look for the login button. It typically stands out at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to access your Docusign account. If you're not already logged in, this will prompt a login page where you'll need to enter your credentials. Make sure your username and password are handy, and if you're using a shared or public computer, don't forget to select any secure login options available to you. After successfully logging in, you'll be redirected to the Docusign homepage. This is your main dashboard where you manage your documents and account settings. Here, look towards the top right part of the page for your profile button. Clicking on this will reveal a small drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, you'll see a few options. You'll want to select Manage Profile. This action will take you to a new page where you can make changes to your personal information, privacy settings, and more. On the Manage Profile page, you'll see several sections dedicated to different personal settings. Find the section that includes your email information. You should see an Update button here. Give it a click. This is a crucial step as it will lead you to a new screen where you can actually specify the changes you want to make. Finally, look for the Update Email option on this screen. Selecting this will allow you to enter a new email address. Carefully type in your new email and be sure it's one you have access to, as Docusign will likely need to verify this change. Once you've entered your new email, follow any additional instructions that appear, which might include email verification or a confirmation message. And there you have it, you've updated your email address on Docusign. Keeping your contact information current ensures you never miss important notifications or documents. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or consult Docusign's comprehensive help resources. Have a great day.